All right, this is the square knot video. So you are going to begin with 2 lark's head knots so that you have 4 strands to work with. So our square knot is very similar to the spiral knot, except our spiral is going to alternate. So we're going to start with that same formation. So the far left leg goes over the 2 center ends, and your right one goes over and then underneath and through the loop, and then you pull tight, and then we are going to alternate that. So then we're going to go this way. So we're making the number 4 with our right side, then the left leg is going to go over and under the loop this way, and then we pull tight, and right there is your full square knot. So you'll have a little nub here, a little nubby here, and then a little back and forth action in the middle. So that's 1 square knot, and then you'll just keep alternating back and forth to create your series of square knots. A good way to know which side you have alternated on, so this little nub right here is the side that you need to cross. So that's the side you need to start with. So if this little nub's on this side, you need to do your little like number 4 cross on that side. So the next one, the little nub is going to be on the other side. So now that little nub's over here, that means I need to do my crossing over on this side, and I need to start on the left. So you're going to just alternate left, right, left, right. Oops. If you make a mistake and you aren't going back and forth and back and forth, it's really easy to just pull that center bit out and release the knot and do it again. So that is the square knot.